Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Blink camera recordings to local storage, full guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Blink camera recordings to local storage, ensure that you have a compatible USB drive ready. Connect the USB drive to your computer or laptop. Once connected, open your File Explorer to locate the USB drive. Next, power on your Blink camera system and open the Blink app on your mobile device. Navigate to the Settings menu within the app. Select the camera you want to backup recordings from. Locate the Live View option, which allows you to stream video from the camera. Begin streaming the live video to ensure the camera is functioning properly. Now, go back to the camera feed and find the specific recordings you wish to backup. Click on each recording to view it. Use the share icon within the app to export the video. This will often open a menu containing various sharing options. Select Save to Device or a similar option to download the video to your phone. After the download is complete, open your device's file manager to find the saved videos. Next, connect your mobile device to the computer using a USB cable. Once connected, navigate to the folder where the videos are saved. Copy the downloaded recordings and paste them into the USB drive you previously prepared. Eject your USB drive safely from your computer once the transfer is complete. Your Blink camera recordings are now backed up to local storage. This ensures you have a personal archive of your important video footage. You can repeat this process for each camera as needed. Consider setting a regular schedule for backups to keep your footage updated. Now, enjoy peace of mind knowing your recordings are stored safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.